Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a superfood that's been making waves for years, coconut oil. You've probably seen it everywhere, from your kitchen pantry to your bathroom cabinet. But what's the real story behind this tropical treasure? Is it just hype, or are there genuine, science-backed benefits? Well, stick around, because we're about to crack open the truth and explore 7 amazing benefits of coconut oil that are supported by research. First up, let's talk energy. One of the most unique things about coconut oil is its high concentration of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Unlike the more common long-chain fatty acids found in many other fats, MCTs are metabolized differently. They go straight from your gut to your liver, where they can be used as a quick source of energy or turned into ketones. This makes coconut oil a fantastic fuel for your body and brain. So, if you're ever feeling that midday slump, a little bit of coconut oil in your coffee or smoothie might just be the quick, natural pick-me-up you need. Benefit number 2 is all about brain health. Remember those ketones we just mentioned, they're not just for energy. Ketones can serve as an alternative fuel source for your brain, which is especially important in certain neurological conditions. Some fascinating studies have shown that MCTs can improve cognitive function in people experiencing memory issues. The idea is that by providing the brain with this readily available energy, we can help support its function and health. While more research is always needed, the potential for coconut oil to be a brain food is incredibly exciting. Moving on to benefit number 3, it may help you burn more fat. This sounds a bit counterintuitive, right? Eating fat to burn fat, but here's how it works. The MCTs in coconut oil have been shown to increase the number of calories your body burns compared to the same amount of calories from longer-chain fats. Essentially, they can boost your metabolism. Some studies suggest this effect can be quite significant, potentially helping you burn more calories throughout the day just by incorporating coconut oil into your diet. Of course, it's not a magic bullet for weight loss, but when combined with a healthy diet and exercise, it can be a powerful tool to support your goals. Now for our 4th benefit, which takes us outside the kitchen and into the world of hygiene. Coconut oil has powerful antimicrobial properties. About 50% of the fatty acids in coconut oil are lauric acid. When your body digests lauric acid, it forms a substance called monolaurin. Both lauric acid and monolaurin can take on harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This is why you see coconut oil used in things like wool pulling, an ancient practice that involves swishing oil in your mouth. It can help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, improving dental health, reducing bad breath, and even helping to prevent cavities. It's a natural and effective way to boost your oral hygiene routine. Benefit number 5 is something that might surprise you. It can help curb hunger. The way MCTs are metabolized can have an interesting effect on your appetite. Studies have shown that they may lead to increased feelings of fullness and a reduction in overall calorie intake throughout the day. This is partly because ketones, produced from MCTs, can have an appetite-reducing effect. So, adding coconut oil to your breakfast might just help you feel more satisfied and less likely to snack on unhealthy treats before lunch. It's another way this versatile oil can support healthy weight management without leaving you feeling deprived. Let's talk about skin and hair for our 6th benefit. This is probably one of the most popular uses for coconut oil, and for good reason. It's a fantastic natural moisturizer. You can apply it directly to your skin to combat dryness and keep it feeling soft and smooth. Studies have shown it can improve skin hydration and even help with symptoms of eczema. And for your hair, it's a game changer. Coconut oil can penetrate the hair shaft better than many other oils, helping to prevent protein loss and keep your hair strong, shiny, and protected from damage. Whether you use it as a deep conditioning mask, a frizz tamer, or a scalp treatment, your hair will thank you for it. Finally, our 7th science-backed benefit, it may help raise your good cholesterol. We often hear about good HDL cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. It's important to have a healthy balance. Some research, particularly in populations that consume a lot of coconut, has shown that coconut oil can significantly increase levels of the good HDL cholesterol. While its effect on LDL cholesterol is still debated, boosting HDL is a positive step for heart health. This suggests that virgin coconut oil, as part of a balanced diet, could play a role in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. It's a reminder that not all saturated fats are created equal. So there you have it, 7 incredible, science-backed benefits of coconut oil. From boosting your energy and brain power to nourishing your skin and protecting your health, it's clear this is much more than just a trendy ingredient. It's a versatile, natural product with some serious potential. Whether you're cooking with it, adding it to your coffee, or using it in your beauty routine, there are so many ways to incorporate it into your life. Remember to look for virgin, unrefined coconut oil to get the most benefits. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. What are your favorite ways to use coconut oil? Let me know down in the comments. I love reading your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.